What's up, y'all? So we got an '04 Dodge Ram. The AC ain't working. I found the leak. It's under the dash, so I gotta pull the dash. Wait till y'all see all this stuff that has to go down. Watch when this dash is out the car. So I figured I'd just talk during this part because they keep blocking me, so. Alright, y'all ready to see this come out? Yeah, look it up. Old dash, man. This is your HVAC housing. It's coming out because I gotta change the heater on the evaporator. Got the HVAC housing out. So there's these little screws all around it. You gotta take them out, separate the box. So show you what I found. That's your evaporator. You see how nasty that is? You see all the green stuff on it? That's a leak. So this was the problem. This thing looks like it's been in there since '04 when the car was made. It's like 22 years old. So if it lasted this long with 200,000 miles on it, you got your money's worth out the truck. I'll talk to y'all next time. I'm letting y'all know now. Next time I'm gonna have a microphone, so it's gonna sound better.